Very good morning, students. Let us start our new chapter, Give and Take. Give and take. We have already learned in our last chapter, tens and ones, how to count in groups and how to represent the place values of numbers given in tens and ones place. As you can see here, there are ice cream sticks. The number is TWELVE 12, that is 1 to 12. Here 2 ones are there, so I have written 2 in ones place. And here is a bundle of 10 sticks. 110, it is represented as 1 in the tens place. And you can see here there are pencils. Each bundle have 10. So how many tens are there here, children? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 tens are there. And how many individual pencils are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 ones. 4 tens and 6 ones means 4, 6, 46. Right. This is what we have learned in our last chapter. This was a quick recapitulation. So let us see the example here. For example, 2, 3, 23 is made up of 2 tens and 3 ones. Right? So that number 2 is written in tens place and number 3 is written in ones place. So how many 10 blocks are there? 2 10 blocks are there and 3, 1, 2 and 3 1 blocks are there. So 2 tens and 3 ones make up the number 2, 3, 23. Right? 2 tens means 2, 0, 20. 3 ones means 3. So 20 plus 3, 23. This is how the number can be represented in tens and ones place. Now see here, children, we have few beans kept and how we can represent these beans in the form of tens and ones. Now in this circle you can see few beans here. Let us count 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 beans are there, right? So when there are 10 beans in the circle, you need to trade these for a 10 stick. Suppose if this circle will be filled with 1, 0, 10, then those 10 beans will be kept on a stick in a 10 block. Right? Here we have only 4 individual beans. Right? So 4 ones are there. So I represented that here as 4. 4 ones are 4. Right? Now here let us count the beans here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 beans are stick on a popsicle here. And the other stick also have 10 beans. Let us check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 on the other stick. So how many tens are there here with beans? 2 tens are there. So 2 in tens place, as 4 individual beans are there in the circle here, 4 in ones place. So what is my number? As soon as I see these groups, I can write the number as 2 tens and 4 ones, which can be represented as 2, 4, 24. 2, 4, 24. Right? Let us move on. See here what I have brought for you today. I have here popsicles, or you call generally as ice cream sticks, right? Few ice cream sticks. What I did with them, I bundled them into bundles of 10, right? 10 popsicles are being bundled as one group. Now, how to represent these bundles in the form of tens and ones? Now, let us count here. How many bundles are there? 1, 2, 3. Each bundle contains 10 popsicles. So, there are 3 tens here. Now any other ones are left over here? Nothing. Right? So what is my number? 3 tens are 30. So my number is 30, 30. Right? Now moving on. Here, how many 10 groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. And here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 ones. 4 tens and 5 ones. 4 tens and 5 ones. What's my number? Right. 4, 5, 45. So my number is 4, 5, 45. My number is 4, 5, 45. Now let us move on. First of all, write today's date here and write the chapter name, give and take. Let's see a few questions. What's the question here? Represent tens and ones placed with beads of necklace or necklaces of 10. So we need to represent the given total number of beads in the form of beads of necklaces of 10. So each necklace must contain 10 beads. If there are 10 beads, represent them in the form of a necklace. If there are less than 10 beads, then represent them in loose beads. Okay, now let us move on. Name of the child here, there is a boy, Karam, and he have how many total beads? 9 total beads, but this number is less than 10. So he cannot form a necklace, right? So will there be any necklace of 10 beads? No, nothing. So write a dash here. Now, how many loose beads are there for him? 9. Now, let us represent them using the beads 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Right? So, 9 loose beads are there. If there would have been 10 beads, I would have represented in the form of a necklace. But here, I have only 9 beads, so I represented them under loose beads, right? Now, moving on. The name of the child is Ayaz, right? How many beads do Ayaz have? 1, 5, 15. Now, here you can see 2 digits, right? 5 is in 1's place, 1 is in 10's place. So, I can form a necklace. Yes, Ayaz can form a necklace here. How many necklaces? 1, 10 is there. So, 1 necklace he can form. Now, let us see how it can be done. So, Ayaz have formed 1 necklace using 10 beads. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now, how many loose beads are there with him? 5. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 loose beads are there, right? Now, next, Shyam. The boy Shyam have 22 beads. So, 2 tens and 2 ones. So, how many necklaces he can form? 2 necklaces each of 10 beads can he form, right? Now, let us see how he is going to represent. Now, 1 necklace of 10 beads, another necklace of 10 beads, right? Now, how many loose beads are left with him? 2, right? 1, 2. 1 and 2 loose beads he have. Now, next, Fiza have 31 beads, right? 3 in 10's place, 1 in 1's place. So, how many necklaces each of 10 beads she can form? 3, right? 1, 2, 3, right? How many loose beads she have? 1. So, 1 loose bead. Now, moving on to Anjali. Anjali have 10 beads here. So, 10 beads she can form 1 necklace? Yes, she can form. See, all the 10 beads are used here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Are there any beads left? No, no beads are left for her. This is how we have represented the given beads in tens and ones place. Right? I hope you understood and practice thoroughly. Thank you. Thank you very much.